Hello everybody and welcome. I'm going to show you today how to replace the rear fog light on a Ford Focus. The process is also the same as replacing the reversing light. The easiest way to do it is to actually lift the back of the car, safely put it on axle stands, and then you just go to the back, undo the light, and then just press the clips underneath and push the light out.
As you can see in here, there are 3 clips. There's 2 tabs in here on this side, and there's another one on here. You just remove the bulb anti-clockwise, like so, and then you have this tab in here. You just pull it to the right, and then try to push it through. You see, it's a little bit released, and then you have these 2 in here. And there you go, it pops off. It's broken anyway, so that doesn't matter.
So here's the new part, well, new-ish, because I managed to find the cracked bits. I've glued them on and put a little bit of sellotape in order to protect it. So 2 tabs here, 1 tab here, and also a guiding pin here and another guiding pin in there, which should match the holes that you see here on the bumper. And all you have to do is make sure you line up the guiding pins. It's a little bit difficult to show on a video because the space is very tight. And there you go, nice and fixed in place. And then all you have to do then is to put the ball back in place. You should match the notches, twist it clockwise, and there you go, it's back in place. And if you just needed to replace the bulb, it is very easy. You just turn this anti-clockwise, then you just push it down, twist it to the left, and put the new bulb back in. It's a 21-watt bulb. Put it back in. Make sure that the notches do line up, like so, and that's it. And actually, you don't need to raise the back of the car to do this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.